Watts Hillendale is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Durham, and its Club Boulevard is basically its Broadway compared to Englewood Avenue being its Park Place. And the homes on Club Boulevard are huge, custom built, and almost always completely updated and upgraded to today's standards. There are also these gorgeous, huge oaks all along Club Boulevard. It's really a beautiful place. Englewood Avenue, on the other hand, is a little bit more modest, which is why I'm excited to be showing you our latest listing at 2012 Englewood Avenue in Durham. They say the kitchens, baths, and hardwoods sell houses. And we've got all three here at 2012 Englewood Avenue. How about these hardwoods? They're all the way through the main level. Check out the kitchen, including this beautiful butler's pantry with these glass cabinets. Possibly this wall could be taken down to expand the kitchen. This kitchen has these great granite countertops. Don't forget to check out the updated and upgraded bathroom. Also, this home has what we call German wood siding, which is considered to be by most the best kind of wood siding you have on a house. Is really indestructible. Folks, if you'd like to see 2012 Englewood, please contact me right away. Whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team and I are ready to help you. Just let us know. We're ready.